Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you what my master bathroom looks like before I actually do the makeover. And then I'm just going to show you a little bit of what I did previously around my tub before I actually change everything. So I'm super excited to get started. I'm just an interior design, interior decorating enthusiast. Like when I start a new project, I just get excited and just feel like I'm alive. So I'm getting ready to start my master bathroom. I have new lighting, new faucets. I'm going to paint the vanity and then I'm going to change the decor. So if you see anything, before I get started, if you see anything in the video that you think I should also change that I haven't mentioned, like the lighting, the faucet, the painting the cabinets, let me know in the comments. Just give me your opinion. So guys, I'm ready. I got my hair pulled back and I got on my comfortable clothes. I am ready to get started. So let me show you what it looks like before, and then on the next video, I'll show you the finished look. Thanks for watching, guys. Okay, guys, so I am finally getting ready to make over my master bathroom. This has been a long time coming. So I'm showing you what it looks like before. I'm going to change the light fixtures, the faucet, the cabinet color. That shade is going to go. I'm going to keep the floors for now because staying within budget. Then over here, I'm going to keep those shelves because I do like having those shelves to put my bath items on and a little bit of decor. The blinds are going to go because they're broken, so I'm going to replace those. I'm going to put in some different curtains, for the fall and winter. But before I do all of these things, I've already bought the light fixtures and the faucet, the paint and everything. Before I do all of those things, I want to show you a makeover I did just for this area right here, so you can see the way I had it before. And then once I release the video next week of the total makeover, then you'll kind of know where I came from. So I'll go ahead and share that with you now. And guys, I hope you have a good week and a good night, and I will see you in the next one.
시선은 깜빡이는 눈이 내게 입맞춘데 언제 그랬냐는 듯 내 앞에 다가와. Oh 틱톡 틱톡 눈을 굴려보내 힐끔힐끔 또 쳐다보네. 볼 듯 안 보일 듯 독한 보내. 날 담기엔 이 밤이 너무 짧겠지. 아슬아슬해 보여 네가 날 흔들 때 숨막히는 내게 가까이 Don't stop when you're all die. 느려질 틈 없는 긴장 속에 널 다 참아. 내 손끝에 너란 나는 걸 알면서도 빠져들어 너 벗어날 수 없게. Oh 틱톡 틱톡 잔을 채워 너의 deeper deeper 자꾸 쏟아지네. 천천히 조여봐 내 숨결까지 위태위태하게 함께 춤을 추자. 틱톡